The difference between scoring 720 and 780 on SAT Math comes from how you solve problems under pressure. Here are 5 techniques that will help you push past 750, starting with the most important. Focus on Module 1 accuracy. It caps your score, so slow down early and aim for no more than 2 mistakes. Nail this section, and you set yourself up for a high score. Next, when a question asks for a variable, test the provided answer choices first. Start in the middle and adjust up or down. It's quick and effective, especially on word problems. Then, build a system to prevent careless mistakes. Circle what the question asks, underline key constraints, and double-check your final answer. If you're stuck on a problem for 2 minutes, skip it and come back later. One question isn't worth rushing the rest. Finally, master calculator discipline. Use it for complex math, but do simple algebra and fractions by hand to stay fast and in rhythm. Scoring 750 plus isn't about perfection. It's about precision, rhythm, and smart test taking. Apply these techniques, and you'll turn solid math knowledge into test day success.